How come Tesla builds its gigafactories at a phenomenal speed? The math is simple. We need to first understand why gigafactories are necessary in the first place. Tesla is an EV company and EVs are made of batteries. Batteries are the most costly components of Tesla manufacturing, and Tesla needs to scale up its battery production to reach the economies of scale, and that's exactly what they are doing with already 5 gigafactories. These gigafactories are the buildings with the largest footprint in the world, and yet, they are finished in less than a year. Ever wondered how it works? By increasing the effect of the economies of scale by building more gigafactories, Tesla will have an immense advantage over its competitors, also while improving the technology of the battery to save from the cost. Tesla pays an average of $142 per kilowatt-hour (kWh) for battery cells purchased from its 3 suppliers, Panasonic, LG Chem, and CATL. By comparison, GM pays an average of $169 per kilowatt-hour for its battery cells, while the industry average runs at about $186 per kilowatt-hour. Tesla produced 500,000 vehicles in 2020, and the production number is projected to grow 50% each year for the foreseeable future. For this reason, Tesla needs the biggest battery and car production factories close to the supply of labor and materials and the demand for its cars. Tesla started the construction of Gigafactory 1 in Nevada in 2014 and finished it in 2016. The factory is 1.9 million square foot and there are over 10,000 workers there. Then, the first Gigafactory was followed by the one in Buffalo, Shanghai, Berlin, and Austin. The Shanghai Gigafactory was built in under a year, and the Berlin Gigafactory would be built in less than a year. But there were environmental issues blocking the construction work. The Berlin factory is to start its operations in November 2021. What are the secrets behind the blazing speed? The answer goes mostly 2 ways: cloud design and prefab construction. BIM, Building Information Modeling, laid the foundation for integrated design, detailing, and fabrication to create a robust structural system for Gigafactory 1. Because the final structural and equipment layout was in constant flux, the factory's structural system had to accommodate drastic design changes at any time, with little or no rework. The main design objectives, of course, were speed and adaptability. In the end, the project entailed the planning for 32,000 tons of structural steel and 9,500 tons of rebar. And all of the design drawings, rebar shop drawings, and steel shop drawings were produced from the Tesla model. This phase of the Gigafactory structure was completed in just 7 months. By using Autodesk BIM 360. All team members work on the same 3D model in perfect collaboration with each other wherever they are in the world. While one team member works on one component testing materials, durability and design, the other can make tests and work on designing other components. This open collaboration helps with the speed of implementation dramatically. By using prefabricated construction methods, a machine is built to build the machine. Most of the construction components are already pre-built, and the only thing that remains is the assembly of the components, which reduces the cost and the time to finish the construction. It consists of making parts of a new building off-site at a factory using manufacturing methods instead of construction processes in order to produce sections that are easier to assemble. Working on different parts of the factory at a time also increased the speed significantly. For the China Gigafactory, sections were built one by one. As Section 1 was completed, Section 2 was started. However, for the Berlin factory, multiple sections of the Gigafactory were built simultaneously. Tesla is now changing how the construction works, since prefab and BIM construction were mostly for residential projects before. Now, there are over 20 Gigafactories under construction by other companies such as Mercedes, VW, and Chinese companies, and they all use the term Gigafactories using the same Gigafactory construction model. It wouldn't be surprising if Tesla also starts its own construction company, learning from the incredible field experience. They are doing it with Tesla Insurance, or the Boring Company, seeing what's missing and adding disruptive innovation and top IQ into it to change the game. How about Built by Tesla? The electric future is brought to us by Tesla, changing the car industry in less than a decade, and Gigafactories are what feed the biggest company of the world of the future, because Tesla isn't a car company. It's an energy company, and its energy future can be even brighter. Thank you for listening to this episode of Innovation Party. Follow us on Medium if you want to follow the most disruptive innovation that can change millions of lives around the world. Innovation made humans what we are today. Thank you, until next time.